welcome to Rust Revival Garage. So I've been redoing my 1968 Pontiac Le Mans and getting it ready for the road, but I need new wheels and tires. What's on there now, the tires are about 25 years old. So it's time to replace them. And I think I found a really good set of wheels and tires on Facebook Marketplace. Let me know what you think. What do you think? For some reason they've got a little A on them, but I think they'll look great on this car. Let's get to it. Actually, I'm just kidding. I actually got new wheels and tires for my daughter's 2007 Acura RDX. Kind of just wanted to point out that Facebook Marketplace actually can be pretty good resource for you. The tires that are on here are from 2018. They're starting to get some dry rot, and I was looking at prices on decent tires. It was going to be about $800 for the tires plus $125 for balancing, installation, and all that sort of thing. And it's got the original wheels on it, and like I said, the tires are starting to get a little bald, starting to get some dry rot. They need to be replaced. But I found a set on Marketplace, like I said. Actually, it's something that I can actually use them by putting these wheels on and replacing those. It's going to look a little newer. It's from 2007. It's getting old. It's up in years, but having these different wheels on it, they're actually also Acura wheels. It's going to make it look a little newer, a little nicer, a little more contemporary. The cool thing is these are from a newer model, but they should still fit. And these were well taken care of. They have really good tread on them. They're from 2022, I believe. And they only had about 7,000 miles on it. And I got them for less than it would have been to buy just the new tires. Let's put them on and see how they look. Alright, let's get our old ones off. And let's see if I can get the new one to fit without jacking it up some more. Yeah, I need to go up a little higher. We're in nice shape. There we go. Okay, what do we think? Looks pretty good. It's a little bit bigger of a tire. It's a 19. This is an 18. Gonna check now just to make sure there's no clearance issues. Yep, we're good. Clearance is fine. And it's, like I said, much bigger wheel, so it really fills up that wheel well a lot better. Time to get them all on. I like it. Like I said, it looks a lot more modern. And I think that's what's perfect for it. They're a lot shinier too. It's really cool. Yeah, I'm happy. Just need to check the tire pressure and take it on the test run. The other cool thing is now I can list these on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe somebody could use them. Still hold air. Tread's not great, but yeah, maybe they'll work for somebody. So yeah, be careful when you're buying from Facebook Marketplace. A lot of people have been burned. Make sure you check out the person's profile that's selling it. Make sure it's like a real account. Try to meet in a public place, all that kind of stuff. But you really can find good deals. The problem is you've really got to check Marketplace a lot to find a good deal. I mean, you have to go be on there all the time, constantly looking, seeing if you can find decent quality parts, tires, wheels, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to share that. And it was fun. It does really help the look of the car, and her tires were going bad, so it's much better now that I drove it, and it's amazing. But anyway, I thought it'd be just an interesting little video to show you that you can get good deals out there. So yeah, like the video if you got anything out of it. Leave me a comment down below if you have questions or suggestions, and subscribe if you can. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much for tuning in. We will catch you next time.